Hello and welcome back to Coca English. I'm Layla.
And I'm Sam. We are so happy you are here with us today. This is the place where we explore one simple English word in every podcast. We talk about it, we play with it, and we learn how to use it.
That's right, Sam. We believe that learning a new language should be fun and easy, like drinking a cool glass of water. Or maybe today, like drinking a warm cup of tea.
That is a very good hint, Layla. Yes, our word today is all about warm things. Today we are talking about the word heat.
Heat, a short, simple, but very important word. Are you ready to feel the heat, Sam?
I think I am. Let's start.
So, what is heat? The simplest way to think about heat is that it is the feeling of being warm or hot. When the sun shines on your face on a summer day, you feel its heat. When you drink a cup of hot chocolate, you feel the heat from the cup in your hands.
Exactly. Heat is the opposite of cold. If cold makes you shiver, heat makes you warm. We often use the word heat to talk about the weather. For example, on a very sunny day, we can say, the heat from the sun is very strong today.
But heat is not just outside. It's inside our homes too. In the winter, we turn on the heater. A heater is a machine that makes heat for a room. So we say, it's cold in here. Can you turn on the heater?
And in the kitchen, we use heat to cook our food. The stove makes heat. The oven also makes heat. When we want to make a soup warm again, we heat it. Did you notice? The word heat can also be a verb, an action word. To heat something means to make it hot or warm.
I love to heat up my soup for lunch. It's so much better when it's warm. So to remember, heat as a noun is the warm feeling. Heat as a verb is the action of making something warm.
Let's think of some more examples. In the morning, I make tea. First, I need to heat some water. I put water in a kettle, and the kettle heats the water. When the water is hot, I pour it into my cup.
And in the summer, I do not like to heat my food too much. I like cold salads. But my cat loves to find a sunny spot on the floor and feel the heat on her fur. She sleeps there for hours.
Cats are very good at finding heat. So we have the sun's heat, a heater's heat, and cooking heat. But there is another type of heat. Sometimes when we are angry or very excited, our bodies feel hot. We can say someone is in the heat of the moment. This means they are doing something when their feelings are very strong, like anger or excitement.
That's a very good point, Sam. It's not a real physical heat like fire, but we use the word to talk about strong feelings. For example, two people can have a heated discussion. That means they are arguing strongly about something.
Yes, but let's not have a heated discussion today, Layla.
No, we won't. We are always very friendly. Okay, let's talk about how we use this word in simple sentences. Sam, can you give me a sentence with heat as a noun?
Of course. In July, the heat in the city can be very uncomfortable. That means it is too hot and not pleasant.
Great. And for the verb to heat, please heat the bread in the oven for 5 minutes. That means make the bread warm in the oven.
Perfect. Now, we also have the word hot. Hot is the adjective we use to describe something that has a lot of heat. So, the fire is hot. The soup is hot. The weather is hot.
And the opposite of hot is cold. So heat makes things hot. No heat makes things cold.
It's simple, right? Now, let's think about some other words. What about warm? Warm is a little hot, but not very hot. It is a comfortable heat. Your bed is warm. A cup of tea can be warm. The sun in spring is warm.
So we have cold, then warm, then hot. And heat is what moves things from cold to warm to hot.
Oh, speaking of heat, I think my water is ready for tea. So let's do a little review. We use heat to talk about 1, the weather, the summer heat, 2, machines, turn on the heater, 3, cooking, heat the soup on the stove, and 4, sometimes for strong feelings, like a heated argument.
Wonderful. Now let's have a little fun. Sam, I'm going to say a situation, and you tell me if it's about heat.
Okay, I'm ready.
Number 1, eating an ice cream on a beach.
You eat ice cream because of the heat from the sun. So yes.
Correct. Number 2, wearing a coat and a scarf in the snow.
Oh. You wear a coat because there is no heat. It is very cold. So it is about the lack of heat.
Very good. And number 3, you and your friend disagree about the best soccer team, and you talk very loudly.
Oh, that is a heated discussion. So yes, it is about that other kind of heat.
You are very good at this, Sam.
Thank you, Layla. I have one for you. What is something that gives heat that we haven't talked about yet?
Let me think. A candle. A small candle gives a little heat and light. It's very nice for a quiet dinner.
Excellent. A blanket. When you are under a blanket, your body heat makes it warm inside. It's so comfortable.
I love that. So, you see, the word heat is everywhere in our lives, from the big sun in the sky to the small candle on a table.
And that is our word for today. Heat. We hope you enjoyed learning about it with us.
We really love making these podcasts for you. Now it's your turn to use the word. Can you write a sentence for us in the comments? Try to make a sentence with the word heat. You can talk about the weather, about food, or about your home.
Maybe you can write, "In my country, the heat in August is very strong." Or, "I heat milk for my coffee every morning." We will read all your sentences. It will be so much fun.
Yes, please, tell us how you use heat. Your comments are very important to us. They help us make better podcasts for you. So from all of us at Coca English,
Thank you for listening. Stay warm, stay cool, and we will see you next time.